Good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to be unboxing my Hero 7 Black. I decided to take vlogging more seriously, so I went and got a new camera for it. Right now I'm recording on the laptop camera because I wanted to capture my new camera and also the old cameras that I use. So that's what this video is going to be about. So while I'm having my morning coffee and eating pancakes. Alright, to start with, the first camera that I got was this Canon sx500is. I got it to take pictures and just to go on adventures with me and go to the beach and go hiking. It works really well for pictures. You don't have to mess with the detachable lenses because I don't know how to use those really, and it zooms really well. It has, I believe, 30 times the zoom. It's a nice little camera, but for video, it doesn't have a stabilizer. It's kind of grainy. Maybe I'm just not using it correctly. Maybe this is just an amazing camera that I just don't know how to use. But I've had it for almost 5 years now, and I just haven't got the hang of it. And it just hasn't produced a video that I want. So I had gotten this camera. This is my Hero Plus. This is also a few years old. This has been with me. I've traveled so many countries. I have so much footage using this. It's worked great. This has been to the top of Mount Fuji, in South Korea, all over the Philippines, all over Japan, all over the U.S. This thing has been amazing. Just this setup has been amazing for me. But as in technology, something new always come, and that's why I did some researching and I found this. This is they have a 8 version, but from watching videos and reading reviews, it seems like this is more logical to get for the price point, and all the technologies within it is comparable or to what's out now. But and also every time something new come out, I always want to wait like a year or so until they other people has used it and reviewed it. So bear with me, it's early in the morning here in Japan. So the GoPro 7 Black has a little save the turtle image in the back, all the stuff that come with it. Oh, here we go. There's nothing else in the box. It has a little tab that you pull up right here and you slide the thing out, and here it is. It has touchscreen. You can see there's a display and a display here. From what I understand, one of the main reasons why I got this is if you scratch this lens, you can remove it and replace it, no issue. On the newer version, if you scratch this lens, you just have to get another camera because they said it costs just as much to replace the lens as a whole nother camera. So that was also a draw aside because I'm pretty rough when it comes to the stuff that I carry with me. I know when I took this to Mount Fuji, it slid down half the mountain. So that's really good to know that I can replace parts of this. So what does it come with though? So this is my first time really doing like an unboxing or this type of video, but I just wanted to, and I'm using the laptop camera because I wanted to get all of my equipment, and this the only other camera I have that can record. So hopefully the video quality is not too terrible. And I'm also trying to get more comfortable in front of a camera talking. I know my first 40 videos are probably going to be horrible. I'm probably going to cringe at it when I rewatch it, but that's just part of the process. I want to take vlogging more seriously. So bear with me, guys. In the box, it comes with a little pamphlet. Has GoPro stickers. Sure, I'll put that on my backpack or my laptop or something. Comes with the manual. I don't know anybody that actually reads it. I just Google or YouTube whatever I need to know about anything about life. Another bracket, another railing you could put, you could stick on stuff and mount your GoPro on. I'll probably put that on my helmet or something. Comes with a charger and an extra battery. When I was looking at Hero 7, there was a white, a silver, and a black version. Reason why and they were cheaper than the black, but one of the main things that made me choose the black is because you can carry multiple batteries and change the batteries. And there's nothing worse than wanting to capture something and your batteries ran out. It's another one. But that's pretty much what's inside the box. So anybody that, if you use the Hero 7 and you have any tips or if you have any suggestions, comment below. This is gonna be my first time using it, and I know there's a whole bunch of features on it, and it has a the stabilizer, the smooth. So if I still have a whole bunch of videos that I still need to edit and upload from this camera and years of using this camera, so you probably won't see footages from this until like maybe 7 videos from now. And I also need to learn how to edit better. If you have any suggestions on that also, what's an easy editing software that's not too expensive or probably even free? I've watched YouTube, but I feel like the people that's reviewing it, they're like experts. Then they know how to already use it. So when they make something sound easy, like for me, it's another language. So, dang, I forgot about my pancakes. But anyways, we're still here in Japan. For future videos, I was thinking about doing a convenience store run, because the convenience stores here in Japan are freaking amazing. Even the 7-Elevens here, and not like the 7-Elevens at home. It seems like they have a chef back there cooking everything fresh, and also their products are amazing. That you can get their coffees from there, even their alcoholic drinks, their snacks. You can live off the convenience stores here, and the people are always so nice. So that's an idea. Just a video I wanted to edit. It's gonna be a longer one when I climbed Mount Fuji with my brother. That's gonna be exciting because we didn't prepare at all. He texted me like 1 week and he said, "You want to climb Fuji?" I said, "Sure, when?" He said, "Next week." I said, "Okay." So that was interesting. We climbed it with 2 bottles of water, a bag of beef jerky, and a can of beer. And then that's what we did. So I can't wait for that video, but I want to do it justice and actually learn how to edit before I put that out. Our trip to South Korea is coming up also, for editing. We actually went to see the lady that does the dumplings, that's on Netflix, on street food. So look out for that also. And yeah, see you guys soon. Thank you.